Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm gonna talk about Java. So what is Java? Java is actually a popular programming language and it is used to develop mobile apps, web apps, desktop apps, games and much more. So popular programming language created in 1995 by Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem, now owned by Oracle. And more than 3 billion device run Java. And what is Java used for actually? Like, you know, what is Java used for? Java is actually used for mobile application, desktop application, web application, web server and application servers, games, database connection, and much more. So why we use Java? So actually why we use Java, like it work. First of all, Java work in a WORA, WORA based, like work once, run anywhere. So it means like it is platform independent, like WORA, work once and run anywhere. So that means platform independent, independent, independent. That means you can run in on Windows, Macs, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Runs on Windows, Linux, Mac operating system, Raspberry Pi, etc. If there is any other operating system, you can still run there. Yeah, and it is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. So it is popular programming language in the world, and it is easy to learn and simple to use. Easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free, by the way. So open source and free, that means you can download from online. It is free, you can just download it and run it on your system. So whatever system like that you have, because it is platform independent, so it can run on your system. So you just need to download from Oracle and it is open source, that means free to use. It is secure, fast and powerful. Sorry. Secure, fast and powerful. It has huge community support, like 10 millions of developer are there, like Java developers, so you will get huge community support. So that means huge community support. And Java is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused, lowering development cost. So it is object-oriented programming language which gives clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused, which will lower the development cost. And why we use Java? It's because Java is close to C++ and C#. It makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. So that is, Java is close to C++ and C#, so we can switch it to this C++ and C#, and we can switch it to Java as well, because it is close to, like the programs are like close to each other, so it is easy to learn. So like Java has what I'm gonna say is, where you gonna run Java, like if you got Java in your system, and like sometime most of the uh, university, they try to teach Java on editor like Notepad or gedit in Linux, and editor in Mac operating system. But normally for fast paced, like when you go to the company, or like when you are working on a big project, you need to have like IDE. And what does IDE understand for? It means integrate. IDE understand for integrated development environment. Integrated environment. So what does integrated development environment mean? So integrated development environments, like the software programs, they run Java, they can compile, they can execute, and so you, like some of them have already installed like intelligent extension that will help you write down the code faster, compile faster. These are called integrated development environment. And we got IntelliJ, IDEA, Netbeans or Eclipse, and these are like useful when managing larger collection of Java files. So integrated development environment example would be IntelliJ, Netbeans, Eclipse, Spring Tool Site, etc. So how do we start programming in Java? Like, how do we start in Java? In Java, every application begins with a class name, and that class must match the file name. So like, let's create our first Java file called main.java, which can be done in text editor like Notepad or gedit like I'm using here at the moment. So the file should contain a hello world message which is written with the following codes. So I'll just write down code here. Public class main. So I'm gonna name that class name as main, curly braces, and main method public static void main array of string arguments and system.out.print next line. So hello world. Don't forget the semicolon. If you forget the semicolon, there would be compilation error called syntactic compilation error. So don't forget about this. I don't know if I put a space in there, so there should not be any space. So this is the syntax, like starting with Java. This is main class, the body of main class from here, and the body of main method here. Body of main method and the class body and main class. So this, let me open another page. So let me copy this one and paste here, and if I save this one on desktop as main.java, it will run. So here is main.java, and to run, let's open terminal. Just need to press Ctrl Alt T. If you're confused about this running this main.java through your terminal, you can watch another tutorial I've made. So let's start running this main.java. So first you need to select the desktop, control directory to desktop, and on desktop there is this main.java file. So you need to select that one. Just a second. Now you can compile that one directly. Main.java. So it has compiled, and you can see there is main.class. That's a bytecode. So that is created by this Java system, like, so that JVM Java virtual machine can understand it and turn it to bytecode, and so that machine can read it. So Java main, enter, there you go, hello world. So yeah, that's how you start coding. So that's the syntax, like Java syntax over here. You start like coding like this, and you get the result. You can print the hello world. So that's how you do it. And on next tutorial I'm gonna use STS understand for Spring Tool Site. So we're gonna start from there. Thanks for watching.